Music with Miss Ethier. Yes, it's gonna be real fun. We will work together now. One for all and all for one. You will learn to dance and sing. La 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 la. Oh, what joy the music brings. So get ready. Here we go. So, second grade folks, we have been working lately on our solfeggio ladder. Can you say solfeggio? And so I wanted to review that really quickly and then show you a little something special. Are you ready? Let's sing up and down the solfeggio scale together. Ready? Hand signs if you can, but don't worry about it. Here's where we start. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Now let's go back down. Do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, do. Nice. Can you echo me? My turn first. Let's see. Mi, re, do. So, la, so. So, mi, so. So, mi, do. Do, re, do. Do, mi, do. Do, fa, do. Do, so, do. Do, la, do. Do, ti, do. Do, do, do. Aha, nice echoing. Now, let's see if you can catch this one. Echo me again, but you might notice a song that you could recognize, okay? It goes like this. Make sure I've got the right ones here. Okay, my turn. Ti, la, sol, la, ti, ti, ti. My turn. La, 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 ti, ti, ti. My turn. Ti, la, sol, la, ti, ti, ti. My turn. La, la, ti, la, so. Ha ha, did you recognize the tune? Bum, bum, bum. It was Mary Had a Little Lamb, right? But the cool thing is, like I've said before, you can make almost any tune using our solfeggio scale, which is really super duper cool. So I want us to sing one of my favorite songs. It'll take me just a second. I'm going to turn on the sound. Da, 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 da. Okay, we've done this one before. Oh yeah, here it comes, people. It starts with so. Ready? A one, a two, and ready. Here we go. So, mi, la, so, mi. Then we're groovy. So, so, mi, la, so, mi. Dough. I make my cookies out of dough. Great. Like on a sunny, sunny day. Me. There's no one else I'd rather be. Fa. Sing out your fa, la, la. So like a down to dough. Dough. I make my cookies out of dough. Red, like on a sunny, sunny day. Me, there's no one else I'd rather be. Fa, sing out your fa la la. Sol like a solo. Whoa, whoa, whoa. La like a lava makes my lava lamp glow. Tea, have a cup of tea with me, and we'll sip it with our cookies made of dough. Yes, we'll sip it with our cookies made of dough. Now it's gonna slow down. And we'll sip it with our cookies made of so me dough. Nice singing, second grade. So, friends, we have something kind of fun to do today. It's called the, Halloween percussion play along. So what we're going to do is take out something you can use as an instrument. Now, I know some of you have made instruments with me before in different lessons. This would be a great time to take that out. If you don't have something, you could find pretty much anything to act as a drum, right? If you could find a book, you could hit that like a drum, or you could turn over your garbage can and play that, or almost anything, folks. So I ask that you try and find something you could use as an instrument. And what's going to happen is when I push play, there are going to be all of these rhythms that you get to play with your instrument. I'm going to play with my little Guiro froggy guy. And the rhythms that you're going to see are ta, which they've turned into the word bat. And we have tt, which is now pumpkin. And then a silent rest, we're going to go shh, which usually I don't do because rests are supposed to be silent, but for this particular activity, I think it'll be okay. So the rests are going to be a shh sound. So those are the only rhythms you need to know. There's going to be these repeat signs, which all that means is it's going back to the beginning. So it's kind of filtering through. The rhythms will change, but you go through a certain number of beats and then it comes back. That's all that's talking about. So don't worry too much. And there's going to be a pointer to follow. It's really just fun, you guys. So let's enjoy the Halloween percussion play along. Bum, bum, bum. So take out your instrument. I'm going to push play here. Hopefully it'll work. Okay, here it comes. It starts with bat. Ready? Here we go. Bat, 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 bat. Pumpkin, bat, 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 bat. Pumpkin, bat, 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 bat. Pumpkin, bat, 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 bat.
Cameron here from Elementary Groove Tracks, and I just want to...
Nice job, you guys. Was that fun? I hope so. Maybe I'll put a link on in my Bitmoji classroom so that you could find this another time. If you see another pumpkin show up in my Bitmoji classroom, it could link you to this. So it's good to explore a little bit, because sometimes if you click on things in my Bitmoji classroom, you can find other activities like this. Nice job, guys. Okay, second graders, it is time to get up and move. We are doing a song today called Haunted House. No, it is not really scary, but you're going to get a chance to play 3 different characters in the song. There's kind of 3 different types of music within the song. The first character is someone tiptoeing through a house, like they don't want to wake anybody up. And you're going to hear the music. It sounds kind of like tiptoeing sneaky music. And then the music's going to change, and all of a sudden you're a ghost floating through the air. It's very flowy music, like, woo, we're floating and floating. And then the third music gets a little bit more like rock and roll kind of, and that's when we turn into silly monsters, like, silly monsters. Okay, so there's 3 different characters you get to play. The music, when you hear the music switch, you have to then switch characters. So it happens several times. You'll get to play each character, I think 2 or 3 times at least. So it's really fun. Here is Haunted House. Okay, this is the tiptoeing, right? You don't want to wake anybody up. Hear that tiptoey kind of sound? Get ready for a change. Now we're those ghosts, remember? Woo! And now we're switching characters. Ready? I'm not very good at being scary. Keep going, scary monsters. Okay, now listen to what's going to happen. Do you hear the difference in the music? Spooky ghosts. Oh, here we go. We're changing characters. Ready? I'm not very good at this. And now we're just about to the end. It's even quieter now. And then it fades away. Nice job, second grade. Way to play all those different characters. Hello, folks. We have some fun kind of fall type rhythms to try out today. So we're going to take rhythms that we've done a million billion times, but we're going to add some kind of fall Halloween words to them which kind of makes it more fun. So we're taking TT like we would always see, but instead of TT, we're turning it into pumpkin. So if we had 4 TTs, it would sound like pumpkin, 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 right? And for a taw, we're changing it to bat. 4 taws, ready? Bat, 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 bat. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Okay, now this one, second graders, some of you are watching this is for 2nd and 3rd grade. 2nd graders, we haven't really talked about this particular kind of rhythm yet. It looks like a taw that just doesn't have any filling inside. It's something called a half note in music. In my class, we call it toe, and it's like taking a taw and stretching it so that it's extra long. Instead of ta, you'd have toe. You're stretching it out. So instead of calling it toe like I normally would, we're gonna call it boo, like you're being spooky, right? Boo. Try 2 boos in a row, ready? Boo, boo. And this is the movement that we do for a half note or a toe. I call it the genie move because it looks like you're granting a wish. Boo, boo. And then for rest, it's just gonna be like normal. Rests are silent. So we're not gonna say anything for rest. They're just gonna be quiet. Try 4 quiet rests, ready? Okay, so what we can do, now that we have these ingredients, now we can kind of mix them up and make really whatever rhythms we want to do. So let's just, I don't know, I'm just making something up. Let's do pumpkin, pumpkin, boo. Let's try it, ready? We're gonna do our movements too. So pumpkin is patting and we have the boo. Ready? 1, 2, and try it with me. Pumpkin, pumpkin, boo. Aha. Okay, let's try. I don't know. Okay. Bat, rest, bat, bat. Okay, let's try this line. Remember, for bat, we're gonna clap. Here you go. It's bat, bat, bat. Aha. Okay, let's do something new. Let's do a boo, pumpkin, bat. Okay, let's try this combination. Ready? Here you go. It's boo, pumpkin, bat. I like it. Okay, and then let's start this last line with a rest. And we'll do a bat and a pumpkin and a bat. Just because we can, right? All right, let's start with our rest. Ready? Here you go. Bat, pumpkin, bat. Aha. Now the question is, can we do all 4 lines? Bum, bum, bum. Yeah, let's do it. Okay, we're starting from the top with our pumpkin. So 1, 2, and here you go. Pumpkin, pumpkin, boo. Bat, bat, bat. Boo. Pumpkin, bat. Bat, pumpkin, bat. Haha. What if we went backwards? What? Can we do it? Yeah, just follow my pen and you'll be fine. We're going backwards. Let's see how it sounds this way. So now we're starting with bat. Ready? 1, 2, and it starts with bat. Bat, pumpkin, bat. Bat, pumpkin, boo. Bat, 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 boo. Pumpkin, pumpkin. I like it, folks. I like it. I like it. Now the cool thing about this is that you could create any combination you wanted out of those rhythms, okay? And I'll tell you a little bit later about your assignment, but your assignment for today is gonna have to do with our super cool pumpkin rhythms. Bum, 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 and it's gonna be super awesome and super cool. Nice job, you guys. Alrighty, folks. So we just got done talking about our super fun pumpkin rhythms, and your assignment this week is to take that idea and create your very own pumpkin rhythm. So let's talk about the easiest way for you to do that. What I currently have is a piece of paper and a pen or pencil, whatever, and the rhythm that you create for me is going to be 8 beats of sound. Now, when I'm talking about a beat, I'm talking about like if we're, say, singing a song and keeping the beat, right? Every tap on my shoulder is 1 beat of sound. So your rhythm is going to end up being 8 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the easiest way for you to write it down is to do this. Take your piece of paper and you're going to make 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4 on the top to make the first line here. And then for the second line, I'm going to do the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 lines on my paper. So now all you need to do is think about how you want your particular rhythm to sound. So remember, my second and third graders, your choices are bat, which is the same as the ta, right? Pumpkin, which is a TT. Boo, which is that special stretchy half note we talked about. Or silent rest. Now, folks, you can do any sort of combination of those 4 things that you want, okay? So let me think. I'm just gonna make something up here. I'll do a bat, pumpkin, and a rest. Okay? Now, friends, we've never really talked about how to draw music notes before, so I'm not expecting it's going to be gorgeous and wonderful. The easiest thing to remember is that you're just making like a circle. Mine are kind of ovally circles, but you can make just a circle and fill it in, and then you just make your stem, and then you have a ta, right? Here, for TT, it's almost the same thing. It's like you're making 2 tas, and then you create your bar across to connect them, right? And for my silly rest, you know me, I kind of make rest strangely. It looks like a weird 3, doesn't it? For rest, don't worry about it. If you just want to make a number 3, I'll know exactly what you're writing. So don't worry about, how it looks too much. So let me finish here. I'm going to put this is the tricky part, friends. If I choose to do one of the boo rhythms, that boo, a boo takes up 2 lines of space because remember it's extra stretchy. So what I would do is I would make my half note and maybe put like an arrow. See how I did that? So a half note or a boo looks exactly the same as this ta, except I just don't color in the circle. It's just an empty circle. So I could put that here and then make an arrow telling me that it takes up 2 spaces. Boo! And then I'll do, oh my gosh, I don't know. I'll do a bat and a pumpkin. Okay? So then what you could do is either send me a picture of what you've created, or you could go a step further even, and you could show it to me and perform it too. You could do bat, pumpkin, boo, bat, pumpkin. You could even perform it for me. Now, you don't have to do it that way, but I'd love to see your work, see what you came up with your bats and pumpkins and boo and rest. If you want to, you could write the words underneath, right? I could write bat. I could write bat, pumpkin. You don't have to. If your brain can remember that the tas are bats and the TTs are pumpkins, you don't have to worry about writing it down. It's just if you want to. But that's what I want to see this week, friends, is your pumpkin rhythm that you create, and possibly even a performance of it if you choose to do that. Okay? Have a nice week, everybody. Bye.